Here's how you can chat with anyone in WhatsApp without needing to add their contact information.
First, you need to have the Shortcuts app installed on your iPhone. If you don't have it, then you can download it from the App Store. Then open up Safari and search for Flow Buddy Info. Click on the first website. Now in this website, click on the search bar and type WhatsApp Shortcut. Click on search. Then click on the first post. Scroll down and click on the download icon right here. Add shortcut. Now click on the shortcut. Here you will need to put the individual phone number but without the plus sign, and remember to put the country code first and then their number. And once you're done, then click on Done, Allow. And now you can chat with the person without needing to save their phone number.
Wasn't it simple and easy? So if you found this video informative, don't forget to give me a follow and I'll see you again, probably, maybe.